my seven, my seven, my seven. I'm dipping in my seven, my seven, my seven. Okay. I'm flossing in my seven, my seven, my seven. I'm riding in my seven.
I don't like it on this little busy highway and shit like that. That's some bullshit. The spirit of classic is with me. No parking tollways on here. Is that where we park? Technically, you're not supposed to have a backpack. He said he'll make an exception for you, boy. So we're gonna get in and get out. This yard, like Classic said, does not look that big. I've been in some bigger yards. It's a lot of people here though. So hopefully we can find what we came to look for. Biggest thing, biggest competition, the heat. Beat the heat. Here on the paper, it's 81 Riviera. That's too old. 89 Riviera. That'll probably work. And a 96. That's too new. I have to go back and look at what I was. I have to look at my shit, see what it was saying. I don't think they be tracking the shit the right way. It don't look too muddy. We should be able to get the job done. So let me find what we're looking for and I catch it back on and my spray weight. All right, so we have found the Holy Grail. What we came through. 26. There's an 81. Remember I told y'all we needed this. So we're gonna pop that up off it off. Look like it's bad news bears on the inside. It is not the same. It's not the same shit. Damn, Daniel. Back at it again. Yeah, it's not the same shit at all. Little emblem is missing there. Yeah, that dash is totally different. Totally different. Totally different. I knew they were similar. You gotta tell right there. In good condition. See, the whole trip ain't a bust. The whole trip ain't a bust. So I can get the emblems. You got the marking right there. These seats is totally different too. That ain't nothing I would want to fucking pay for. Let's see what we got back here. Headliner bar up here. Like this headliner bar is actually sticking to the top. See, pump to set, you dumb motherfuckers. That's how they did it in 89. So yeah, that kind of sucks. Just a little bit. The alternators here, the AC compressors here. Yeah. As far as this should look just like mine. I don't know if I'm gonna fuck with the AC compressor though. I probably will pull the alternator just because Probably pull that tensioner just because. But let's see what we got on the other side. No emblem on that side. That one's gone. It's cool. We only needed one anyway. See, these had a totally different display. Got climate summary, radio gauges, options and shit. So yeah. No luck on that shit. No luck on that shit. Maybe if I would have done a little bit more research, I would have known. But like I said, that wasn't the only thing we came to check out. So get back into it. And then when we get back here to the suspension, yeah, see, it does got the same air shocks as my shit do. So maybe we can get up on there and see what we can make happen. Let's see how sturdy this motherfucker is. Oh yeah, that's good. That ain't going nowhere. All right, let's see what's up. Look around, use your surroundings, find you some way to not be a savage. You know what I mean? You get your back seat out of something, man, so you can get on down on the ground and, you know, get up close and personal with your target. Look on how this shit is put together. Let's see, there's a boat like right here. Let's see. There's a boat right there. Let me see if it's something else over here. Look like a boat right there. Look like those two probably secured it down. There's a connector right here. See, so it's a connector right there. And it plugs all that into there. And then this is like, I guess my first time noticing how this shit go up into the trunk. So that might be a way that we can trace on our review why it may or may not be getting power, etc., etc., etc. So we'll get to the bottom of it. We always do. So let me find out what size them two sockets is, man. Get this thing off and fuck out of Dodge. First, grab that 13. Put it on that earthquake. 2 bolts. One there. And another one there. And that pretty much holds everything in there. I was trying to kind of see how said wiring works. But shit, I'ma just grab it. Compare it to the one here on this Cadillac L Dog. There are some similar traits, but not identical. What I can see now that we have is what appears to be like a part number. 504-9326-28988. Whatever that means. But yeah, this is kind of the same similar setup, but the plug, like I said, the plug is different. I mean, this one is older. There's some differences in it, but kind of the same at the same time. So hopefully this will kind of solve our problem on that. Let me look back over here. So them airline, I got the lines and everything. We should have everything complete. It was just having the actual pump or whatever. That's if ours is even bad. But since it was one out here, we just want to go ahead and grab it on GP. Yeah, that shit's done. The shit with the hood's done. Gotta be careful with that shit. I'm not sure that this is the same alternator, so I might hold off on that. It looks similar, but that intake is different than mine. Looks the same though. Let me look. Let me see if I can look some up real quick. See if they're compatible. See if the alternator for 89. I remember looking it up before, and I do remember them shits being mad picky. No, I might just leave that one alone. That shit could be older than the one we got. So. All right, let's move on to the next